My name's Steve. I'm on the City and Guilds Level 2 welding course. The course is teaching you 5 or 6 different welding techniques in different positions. It's very involved, it can be quite technical, it's really good fun, it's quite light-hearted but with a serious professional qualification at the end of it. I started on the initial welding course, an introduction to welding here, which was 7 weeks long, with the intention of just doing that and learning how to properly weld a classic Land Rover that I've got. However, I enjoyed the course so much that I've decided to come on this course, get better skills from my welding, and I'm even hoping to progress onto level 3.
My name is Davina. I teach welding fabrication here at Sparsholt. We tend to find that the courses that we run here at Sparsholt cover a massive variety. They cover everything from the hobbyist at the intro that have no experience whatsoever, all the way through to your intermediate at your level 2s, and then right through to industry, what the industry is looking for, and different industries as well, not just one sector of industry, but right across the whole range of industry. These industries can be plant, agricultural, pipework, pressure vessel, coded, marine. We have the availability to do everything.
Oh, I would definitely recommend this course. It's been great fun. Davina's been absolutely fantastic, making sure that the skills we're learning are specific to what we actually want to learn and the jobs that we've got to do in the future. It's been great fun.